So guys, to make the burst function system, we need a thin cardboard piece like this and draw a half centimeter line like this and cut this. So I will cut this like this. So guys, I have cut the thin cardboard piece and this is rough, so I will cut this end. So now our thin cardboard piece is ready. So take a pen and roll it like this and roll like this and then add Fevikwik. So guys, I am adding the Fevikwik. So make sure that your first piece is sticked like this and then add a small amount of glue here and then add. So guys, like this, be careful, don't stick your hand. So at the last point also add some Fevikwik. So make it tight enough so that it will be very tight and don't fall off from your pen. So guys, now this is ready, so I am taking out it from the pen. So guys, now see, you can see that it is looking nice, and add some spare glue around it so that it will be very hard. So guys, it is now fully dry, and the next step is that we have to take a cardboard piece, like thin cardboard piece, and cut it into half. So I will cut this into half and then stick it like this, so guys, after sticking it will look like this. And also guys, add uh, glue here also to make it strong, and some amount of glue here also, and now here also. So guys, let it dry. So guys, now it is dry, and also cut the then the next step is that we have to cut the extra part. So guys, our upper part is now ready, so let's make the next part of burst function system. So to make the next part of burst function system, you need a pen refill and a thin cardboard piece like this, and I used to cut this also. So I'm taking the ratio of this, so it is now like this. So cut the extra part. Now this part is ready, and we have to stick this like this. So guys, our burst function is now ready. So thanks for watching this guys, and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thanks for watching.